Meet our NextGen AI client, Toro Steel. They sell steel roofs for self-installation. This allows customers to install the roof themselves, saving on labor costs. Their goal is to scale and boost sales. With each account being worth around $50,000, it's crucial for our client to make the most of each opportunity. With NextGen AI, they are achieving remarkable growth. In January 2024, they achieved impressive results with NextGen AI. NextGen AI received 158 leads from the steel manufacturing client. 61 appointments were booked. The client had a 58% response rate. These results show AI's effectiveness in sales. The sales growth was remarkable, proving the power of AI in transforming business outcomes. The 3 phases of implementation. Implementing an AI sales assistant involves 3 phases: planning, development, and optimization. Each phase is crucial for building, refining, and maximizing the AI's potential. Phase 1, Foundation, focuses on understanding your needs and tech stack. Our team gathers crucial insights, ensuring seamless tech integration, aligning NextGen AI with your business goals, setting the stage for success. Phase 2, Pre-launch, moving to the pre-launch phase. Fine-tuning NextGen AI to meet expectations. Role-playing and client approval ensure effectiveness. NextGen AI gathers information for assistance. Phase 3, Launch. The final phase is the launch phase, deploying NextGen AI and optimizing performance. NextGen AI handles the first 20 calls to verify the audience. Feedback helps us adjust for optimal results. Message optimization trains NextGen AI to ask better questions. This step ensures effective engagement and increases conversions. Conversion optimization focuses on improving metrics. Following these steps, our clients successfully implemented NextGen AI and achieved impressive results. The launch phase is crucial for setting the stage for long-term success. With continuous monitoring and adjustments, the AI system evolves and improves. This leads to sustained growth and increased sales over time. Achieving optimal conversion rates. Optimizing sales efficiency is key to success. Factors for optimal conversion rates are crucial. The importance of response rate and intro response rate. Response rate and intro response rate are crucial for sales success. Response rate is the percentage of leads that respond, while intro response rate is the percentage responding to the initial introduction. These metrics show customer interest and engagement. Our client selling steel roofs achieved a 68% response rate. This indicates the effectiveness of their sales process. By focusing on these metrics, they improved customer interactions and boosted sales. The importance of response to call-to-action ratio. Response to call-to-action or CTA ratio is crucial. It measures the percentage of leads responding to a CTA. A high ratio shows the CTA is compelling. Our client achieved a 46% response rate. This highlights the effectiveness of their AI sales assistant. By optimizing their approach, they achieved outstanding results. Traditionally, businesses aim for 10% to 15% conversion rates. These ratios reflect sales process efficiency. With NextGen AI, achieving these goals is more attainable than ever. By leveraging an AI sales assistant like NextGen AI, businesses achieve remarkable efficiency. Feeding leads to NextGen AI saves significant time and resources. NextGen AI follows up with leads, maximizing conversions. This client's implementation of NextGen AI has been a success. They efficiently handled leads and converted them into appointments. The AI provided valuable insights, enhancing their strategy. With NextGen AI, they saw a significant boost in sales. The efficiency and success were undeniable. Experience similar success in your business. Request a demo of NextGen AI. Our team is ready to understand your needs and demonstrate how NextGen AI can revolutionize your sales. Click the Request a Demo button on our webpage to schedule a time with our team.